Are you looking to maximize the weight loss effects of Ozempic? Today, we'll share some practical dietary tips to help you achieve the best results. Welcome to Pharmacist Online, your trusted source for health advice. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more helpful content. Ozempic, also known as Semaglutide, is a popular medication for managing type 2 diabetes and aiding weight loss. But did you know that your diet plays a crucial role in maximizing its effects? In this video, we'll explore the best foods to eat while taking Ozempic and how they can enhance your weight loss journey. First up, let's talk about high-protein foods. Protein helps you feel full and supports muscle maintenance. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are excellent choices. Fish and seafood, especially those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and tuna, are also great options. If you prefer plant-based proteins, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and tempeh are your friends. Protein has a high satiety factor, meaning it keeps you full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, protein requires more energy to digest, boosting your metabolism slightly. Next, we have fiber-rich foods. Fiber keeps your digestive system healthy, helps control blood sugar levels, and can relieve constipation, a common side effect of Ozempic. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats should be staples in your diet. Don't forget fruits and vegetables like apples, berries, leafy greens, broccoli, and carrots. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and peas, are also fantastic for adding fiber to your meals. Fiber slows down digestion, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prolongs feelings of fullness, mimicking the effects of Ozempic. Healthy fats are another important component. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, provide beneficial fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and can be a delicious addition to your meals. Cooking with olive oil instead of butter can also make a big difference. Healthy fats slow down digestion and increase satiety, helping you eat less and feel satisfied longer. This effect can complement Ozempic's action in controlling appetite. Incorporating low glycemic index foods can help manage your blood sugar levels. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers are perfect choices. Whole fruits, particularly berries and apples, are beneficial as well. Low glycemic foods prevent spikes in blood sugar and insulin, which can lead to fat storage. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, you can avoid sudden hunger pangs and overeating. Staying hydrated is key. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas like green tea and chamomile can be soothing alternatives to water. Proper hydration helps maintain metabolism and can sometimes be mistaken for hunger, helping you avoid unnecessary snacking. When planning your meals, focus on balance. Each meal should include protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating, and consider eating smaller, more frequent meals to keep your metabolism active. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Sugary drinks like soda and energy drinks, processed snacks like chips and cookies, and refined carbs such as white bread and pastries can hinder your weight loss efforts. These foods can cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, leading to increased hunger and potential weight gain. Regular physical activity complements your diet and Ozempic. Incorporate both cardio and strength training exercises to boost your weight loss. Here's a sample daily meal plan to get you started. For breakfast, try Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds, or whole grain toast with avocado and a boiled egg. Lunch could be a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and olive oil dressing, with a small serving of quinoa or brown rice. For a snack, have a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit like an apple. Dinner might include baked salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potato, and a side of mixed greens with olive oil and lemon juice. End your day with a snack like carrot sticks with hummus or a small serving of cottage cheese. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to Pharmacist Online for more health tips and advice. To recap, combining a balanced diet with Ozempic can enhance your weight loss efforts. Focus on high-protein foods, fiber-rich choices, healthy fats, low glycemic index foods, and staying hydrated. Avoid sugary and processed foods and stay active. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or tips to share, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe for more helpful videos, and we'll see you next time on Pharmacist Online.